in this vestibular region, you have lots of rings. These rings are called the semicircular canals. You'll also see in this model that you have a region that is white and then a region that is gray. The region that is white is an external, almost exoskeleton called the Bony Labyrinth. The region in gray is a region that's going to be filled internally with fluid, and that's called the membranous labyrinth, number 6. Now with each of these semicircular canals, right, when we remove the bony labyrinth, you'll see this gray bulby area called the ampulla, right? The ampulla, you're going to see, is going to be found at the ends of each of the semicircular canals. Here's another one, and then there's another one over here on this side, and these are the bulby ends of the semicircular canals. The ampullas contain the hair cells that will activate, allowing us to have dynamic equilibrium in each of the different directions. Now, for static equilibrium, we have these organs right here, all right? And those organs are your utricle and the saccule, right? The utricle and saccule are important for static equilibrium, like doing a handstand, right? Like putting your head down when you go to bed, right? And then next to that, you see the endolymphatic sac, where the fluid that allows all these movements and all these hair cells to bend, well, that fluid is formed in the endolymphatic sac and then brought inwards internally. Again, utricle, saccule, ampulla, bony labyrinth, membranous labyrinth. Right? Now the vestibule is this middle area right here, connecting the vestibular apparatus with the cochlea. Now, one important also thing to remember is that in terms of the vestibular cochlear nerve, it's actually 2 separate nerves, right? The first nerve you can see right here is number 15, is that circular nerve that we call the cochlear nerve, right here. And it's coming in from the cochlea. Cochlear nerve allows us to hear. The next nerve, the vestibular nerve, starts at this ganglia and moves forward. All right, and it comes in from the utricle saccule, comes in and receives stimuli from all of these ampullae. All right, so this is a vestibular nerve, and the vestibular nerve allows us to have balance and equilibrium.